What was ultimately decided is we are filing a motion to recuse the district attorney in this case. We set a date of May the 9th. The family does not want to go through this charade anymore with the DA. The ultimate insult, I believe, was last Friday when the grisly crime scene photos were thrown up unexpectedly in violation of Marcy's Law, which, as Mr. Freedman ably pointed out, is a constitutional provision. We believe that directly caused the traumatization, re-traumatization of Terry Baralt, who I'm happy to inform is now out of the hospital, but was found unresponsive. Mr. Hochman's solution, or his answer to her being traumatized, was at best weak-kneed apology, and to promptly have Kathy Katie, his supposedly walled-off head of victim services, arrange a rather failed protest at which he spoke on that Sunday morning while Terry Baralt was in ICU. The standard for recusal in this state under Penal Code Section 1424 has been met. We plan on filing that. I would have done it sooner. However, I wanted to get this hearing done. Unfortunately, to recuse a DA's office requires 10 court days under the code, and you have to give notice to the Attorney General.
Is your contention that the DA is biased in this case?
Yes, under a recusal motion, so that you understand, is that there is the appearance of impropriety and actual bias and on behalf of the DA. Anybody who witnessed him driving out here from the West Side enclave where he lives to do a press conference this morning to say nothing except to violate what was then a confidential document in front of the cameras and then to scurry off, I think would be probably Exhibit 27 of the motion to recuse. This is about as righteous a recusal motion of a DA that I've ever had. This is a case that cries out after 35 years for a reduction to a manslaughter and a release, immediate release.
Mr. Hochman has made this a mockery, and you have to ask yourself why. Why is he doing that? Is he personally vested in this? Does he have a personal grudge against Lyle and Erik? Does he have a personal grudge because he's somehow vested in this personally? Does he have a personal grudge against the family members who are entitled to notice of these proceedings, who are entitled to know whether they're going to move for a continuance or not? They're not being provided their rights. That's the problem. And that alone he should be disqualified for. I think that we should be tough on crime. Go out and find some. Go get the looters. Go get the people that burned down my house. Go get the people that are out there smashing and grabbing. Go be tough on crime. Don't forget about what's happened in 35 years and how these boys, who are now men, have helped hundreds of people in prison to recover.
The person who has traumatized them the most was elected by the County of Los Angeles on November 5th, and he has done nothing but traumatize, abuse, and serially traumatize them ever since. This man is not a victims' rights advocate. He is a predator.